Hey, here is another why of breaking no more. Why break no more? Why sticking to your values? Because it's a foundation for healthy boundaries. It's like your value is the boundary itself, and it drives you as well towards places where your boundaries are less likely to be infringed, so to say, exploited. Um, It's like you won't take some risk. For instance, if you have peace in mind, if you want peace, then you're gonna take most probably less risk to engage in activities where your peace is gonna be challenged. Whereas if you don't know, then and still want peace, if you're not sticking to to your value and clearly, and while you know you want peace, it's like you're just going with the flow, for instance, into gossiping, while you know that those specific gossips might be a reason of turmoil and escalation of whatever. Then you go into the gossiping, and then it just doesn't sit well with you, and then you're not really into the act of it doesn't sit well with you, and then it creates inner turmoil, and then you're not at peace really with it, and then you need to pull back, but you're already in it, and it's too late. Whereas if you're like very centered around peace, you're like, oh, I know gossips aren't my thing because it disturb my peace, and so you're like, oh, you put a boundary here. Um, Everything becomes like kind of a bit more mechanical. With align with my value, yes, no, and you don't overthink it. You're just moving forward. So it becomes the boundary and the direction, and it's healthy boundaries because you are not on the like the boundary, the value here is going to be here, is going to protect you here, while your boundary is here, so then it's a healthy boundary, right? uh so it prevents burnout, because burnout is when you are misaligned with your values and it disturbs you. There is a part of this, and professional burnout, blah. And at home, it teaches you how to respect yourself.